Listen, if you miss what I'm about to share in the next few minutes, you'll be staring at empty garden beds come spring while your neighbor is harvesting baskets of fresh produce. December planting isn't just possible. It's your secret advantage that most gardeners completely overlook, and what you're about to discover is going to flip everything you thought you knew about winter gardening on its head. Hey there, garden friend. Welcome back to Earthly Gardening, where we grow more for less. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found us. This is where budget-friendly gardening meets real results. We're diving into something special today, and trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be rushing outside with your seed packets. Before we dig in, do me a quick favor. If you love practical gardening advice that actually works without emptying your wallet, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss our weekly tips. It helps us reach more gardeners like you, and honestly, your support means the world. All right, let's get into these 10 December champions that'll transform your garden. Here's what most people get wrong. They think December means the garden goes to sleep. But Mother Nature, she's got other plans. There are vegetables that don't just survive December planting, they actually prefer it. These crops are about to become your new best friends because they're hardy, forgiving, and ridiculously productive. We're talking about fresh harvests when everyone else is paying premium prices at the grocery store. So let's jump right into number 1. Crop 1, fava beans. First up, we've got fava beans, but I want you to forget everything boring you've heard about beans. These aren't your typical green beans. Favas are absolute cold warriors that laugh in the face of frost. They're like the Vikings of the vegetable world. Here's why December is actually perfect for them. Fava beans need that cold period to develop strong roots. Plant them now, and by spring, you'll have sturdy plants already established while everyone else is just starting their garden. The pods are meaty, the flavor is buttery and rich, and here's the kicker. They actually improve your soil by fixing nitrogen. You're literally feeding your garden while growing food. Planting tip? Push them about 2 inches deep, space them 6 inches apart, and water them in well. They'll sit there quietly all winter, building strength underground. Come March, you'll see why this was genius. 1 packet of seeds costs maybe $3 and will give you pounds of beans worth 10 times that at the store. Crop 2, garlic. Next, let's talk about garlic, but not the way you've heard it before. Most folks think garlic is complicated. It's not. It's actually one of the easiest things you'll ever grow. And December planting creates the absolute best bulbs. Here's the magic. Garlic needs cold weather to split into those beautiful cloves we all love. Without winter's chill, you just get a small round bulb. Plant individual cloves pointy side up, about 4 inches apart, 2 inches deep. That's it. You're done until spring. But here's what nobody tells you. Each clove you plant becomes an entire bulb with multiple cloves. 1 bulb from the grocery store can give you 10 cloves to plant. That's 10 new bulbs by summer. Do the math on what you'd pay for 10 bulbs of organic garlic at the market. We're talking serious savings. And the green shoots that come up in spring? Those are garlic scapes. Snip them off in May and you've got 2 harvests from 1 planting. They taste like mild garlic and are incredible in stir-fries. This is the definition of working smarter, not harder. Crop 3, broadleaf mustard. Number 3 is going to surprise you. Broadleaf mustard greens. Now, I know what you're thinking. Mustard sounds spicy and weird. But hear me out because this green is about to change your salad game forever. Broadleaf mustard has this peppery kick that's bold without being overwhelming. It's like arugula's cooler cousin. The leaves grow huge, which means you get more food per plant, and December's cold actually makes them sweeter. The frost mellows out that spice and brings out this incredible depth of flavor. Plant seeds a 1/4 inch deep, scatter them loosely, and thin them to about 6 inches apart once they sprout. Within 4 weeks, you can start harvesting baby leaves. For weeks, while winter is doing its thing, you're clipping fresh greens for salads, sandwiches, or sautés. The best part? These plants keep producing. Cut the outer leaves and the center keeps growing. 1 planting gives you harvests for months. A single seed packet is under $2 and will feed you all winter long. That's the kind of return on investment that makes gardening feel like magic. Crop 4, winter lettuce varieties. Lettuce in December? Absolutely. But we're not talking about wimpy summer lettuce that bolts the second it gets warm. Winter lettuce varieties like Arctic King or Winter Density are bred for cold weather, and they're tougher than you'd ever imagine. These varieties handle frost like champions. They grow slowly through winter, which actually works in your favor because the leaves stay tender and sweet instead of turning bitter. You get that crisp, fresh crunch that makes store-bought lettuce taste like cardboard in comparison. Sprinkle seeds on prepared soil, barely cover them, and keep the soil moist until they germinate. Once they're up, they basically take care of themselves. Space them about 8 inches apart, and you'll have tight heads forming by late winter. Here's my favorite trick. Plant a new row every 2 weeks. This gives you a continuous harvest instead of everything maturing at once. Imagine walking out to your garden in January and February, cutting fresh lettuce for dinner while everyone else is buying those plastic containers for $6 each. That feeling never gets old, and your wallet will thank you. Quick pause if you're loving these ideas and already planning your December garden. Drop a comment below and let me know which vegetable you're most excited to try. Are you Team Fava beans or Team garlic? I read every single comment, and I love hearing what's working in your garden. And if this video is giving you value, smash that like button. It tells YouTube to share this with more gardeners who need these tips. Crop 5 Purple Sprouting Broccoli. Alright, number 5 is purple sprouting broccoli, and this one is special. Regular broccoli can be fussy, but purple sprouting? It's basically indestructible. Plus, it's gorgeous. Those purple florets look like something from a fancy restaurant. Plant this in December, and it'll establish roots through winter. Come early spring, you'll get multiple harvests of tender shoots instead of one big head. That means more food over a longer period, which is exactly what we want. Space plants about 18 inches apart because they get bushy. They need room to spread out and do their thing. Water them in after planting, then let winter rain do most of the work. These plants are low maintenance to the extreme. The flavor is milder and sweeter than regular broccoli. Kids who hate broccoli often love these tender shoots. And nutritionally, you're getting powerhouse vitamins and antioxidants. One packet of seeds runs about $3 and gives you enough plants to harvest for weeks. Compare that to buying organic broccoli at the store, and you're saving a fortune while eating better food. Crop 6 Spinach. Spinach might sound basic, but December-planted spinach is anything but ordinary. This is cold-season spinach at its absolute peak. The leaves grow thick and dark green, packed with flavor that summer spinach just can't match. Here's the secret. Spinach planted now grows slowly, which concentrates the nutrients and flavor. You're not getting those thin, tasteless leaves. You're getting robust greens that hold up to cooking or taste incredible raw. Varieties like Winter Bloomsdale or Space are bred specifically for cold weather planting. Scatter seeds about 1 inch apart and ½ inch deep. Once they sprout, thin to 3 inches apart. Those thinnings? Toss them in a salad. Nothing goes to waste. Keep the soil consistently moist, and you'll see germination in about a week even in cold soil. By late winter, you'll be harvesting handfuls of spinach that cost pennies to grow but would cost you $8 a pound at the organic market. Smoothies, omelets, pasta dishes, salads, this one planting keeps giving. And spinach is one of those vegetables where homegrown truly tastes like a completely different plant compared to store-bought. Crop 7, Onion Sets. Number 7 is onion sets, and this is where things get really exciting for your budget. Onions from sets planted in December give you a jump start that transplants just can't match. These little bulbs go dormant over winter and explode with growth come spring. Push each set into the soil about 1 inch deep with just the tip showing. Space them 4 inches apart in rows. That's all the effort required. They'll sit there quietly until temperatures warm up. Then suddenly you've got onions sizing up weeks ahead of everyone else. Here's what makes this brilliant. Onions store for months after harvest. One bag of onion sets costs about $5 and gives you 50 to 70 onions. Think about how many onions you buy in a year. This one December planting could cover your entire year's supply. That's not just saving money, that's food security. Plus, you can harvest some early green onions if you want fresh scallions for cooking. Pull every other one, and you've got green onions while the rest keep growing into full bulbs. 2 harvests, 1 planting, 0 complexity. Crop 8 Kale. Kale is number 8, and I need you to forget whatever you think you know about kale. December planted kale is sweeter, more tender, and less bitter than summer kale. The cold transforms it into something genuinely delicious. Varieties like Winterbor or Darkabor are specifically developed for winter growing. They handle snow, ice, and freezing temperatures without batting an eye. In fact, a good frost actually improves the flavor by converting starches to sugars. Your kale gets sweeter the colder it gets. Plant seeds half an inch deep, about 12 inches apart. They need space because kale grows into substantial plants. Water them well initially, then let nature take over. These plants are drought-tolerant and cold-hardy, which means they basically grow themselves. Harvest by picking outer leaves and leaving the center to keep producing. One plant can give you harvests for 6 months straight. That's continuous fresh greens from a single seed that costs literally cents. Make kale chips, add it to soups, blend it into smoothies, or massage it with olive oil for salads. When you grow your own, you'll actually want to eat it. And the health benefits? Kale is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. Crop 9 Radishes. Radishes at number 9 are the speed demons of December planting. While everything else is taking its time, radishes are ready to harvest in as little as 3 weeks, even in cold weather. That's instant gratification when you need it most. Winter radish varieties like black Spanish or China rose grow larger and store better than spring radishes. They've got this crisp texture and complex flavor that goes way beyond the basic red radishes most people know. Some are spicy, some are mild, and they're all ridiculously easy to grow. Sprinkle seeds directly into the soil about half an inch deep and 1 inch apart. Keep them watered, and watch them pop up within days. Thin to 3 inches apart once they've got their first true leaves. Those thin seedlings? You can eat those too. Radishes break up compacted soil with their strong roots, so they're actually improving your garden bed while they grow. They cost almost nothing to plant. A seed packet is maybe $2, and you can succession plant every week for continuous harvests through winter and spring. Crop 10 Arugula. Last but definitely not least, we've got arugula. This peppery green is a winter superstar that grows faster than almost anything else in your garden. December is actually the perfect time for it because hot weather makes arugula bitter and tough. Cold weather keeps it mild and tender. Broadcast seeds lightly across your soil and barely cover them. They'll germinate in less than a week even when it's cold out. Within 3 weeks, you're harvesting baby leaves. The flavor is this perfect peppery bite that elevates any dish: pizza, pasta, salads, sandwiches. Here's the real beauty. Arugula self-seeds like crazy. Let a few plants go to flower, and they'll drop seeds that give you free arugula next season. It's the gift that keeps on giving. Plus, the flowers are edible and attract beneficial insects to your garden. 1 packet of arugula seeds is under $3 and will give you more harvests than you can count. Those plastic containers of arugula at the store cost $5 for a few ounces. You'll grow pounds for pennies. That's the kind of math that makes gardening genuinely life-changing for your budget. So there you have 10 vegetables that not only survive December planting but actually thrive with it. Fava beans, garlic, mustard greens, winter lettuce, purple sprouting broccoli, spinach, onion sets, kale, radishes, and arugula. These aren't just plants. They're your ticket to fresh food, serious savings, and a garden that produces when everyone else's is empty. The investment is minimal. We're talking maybe $20 to $30 in seeds total, and the return is hundreds of dollars worth of organic produce. But more than that, you're learning to work with nature's rhythms instead of against them. You're building skills that'll serve you for life. If you haven't already, please subscribe to Earthly Gardening. We drop new budget-friendly gardening tips every single week, and I promise you'll find value in every video. Hit that like button if this helped you see December in a whole new way. And drop a comment telling me what you're planting first. I genuinely want to know. Grab those seed packets, get outside, and give your December garden the love it deserves. Your future self in spring will be incredibly grateful you took action today. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and remember, the best gardens don't need big budgets, just smart choices. See you in the next video.